Hey everybody, here's your Las Vegas real estate market update for the month of November. First off, just want to say happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. I hope you guys have an awesome Thanksgiving holiday. Powers family will be going to our family's house, eating turkey, doing all the fun stuff. But to the real estate market, things are progressively sort of staying the same, slowing down a little bit. We've seen a big change in days on market. They are in the high 30s now for our average days on market for properties. You're going to see this number continue to go up. Properties are actually staying on the market on average even longer than that. We don't get to count the number until those sales actually close, and then we can count that data. So just be aware of that. Some things will be lagging, and we'll have more information. Biggest thing right now is you have to price your property aggressively to sell. It's the biggest change that you can make if you're active on the market or thinking about selling. You want to position your house to be the best priced and most beautiful property on the market within the mile, 2 mile, 5 mile radius that people are shopping in your area. If you go on the market and you aren't the best house at the best price, chances are you're going to sit there and it's not going to sell. So price aggressively. If you have a need to sell, get it out there. The quicker you sell it, the more money you're going to get. The longer it takes, the more you're going to have to reduce the price and go through that whole thing. So talk to an agent, make sure you're pricing aggressively if that is the reason for selling. On the buying side, rates just ticked down about 0.5 point recently. Probably not going to move the needle all that much if you were already in the market. Happy for you. And though I think rates are going to continue to be in those sixes that we've been seeing. But the biggest thing is if you're a buyer right now, what I just talked about, houses are on the market longer. You have a lot of really good options you can pick and choose. Make sure that you're talking to your lender and your agent about rate options, buy down options, different loan types that could get you into a home quicker than you think. If you wanted to get a rate lower than what I just said and that's an option for you, reach out, because we're getting closing costs paid for right now by sellers. We're getting rate buy downs paid for the buyers by the seller. We can negotiate a lot right now for the buyers. So it's still, if you're in the market, you can get a really good deal on a house. We just put a property in contract and we're able to get that buyer $15K in closing costs. So it's out there. Really good deals on houses are possible. And reach out if you have any questions. As far as investing goes, I'm going to start to talk about that a little bit more. It's a big thing that we're looking into more and more, real estate investing. If you are looking for a good deal, it's a great time. Anytime things are going down is usually the time that you want to invest. That's when the smart investors go. The only thing that's not as advantageous is the rate, obviously. So we'd want to have a conversation. What are you looking to do? Are you looking to cash flow on the property monthly? Are you really just looking to, buy and hold assets? Different conversations. So we need to know what your goals are, and we can guide you through that as well. Last thing I want to say is we held our pie event and photos with Santa this past weekend. Just wanted to give a huge thanks to all of you that made it, came out, got a pie from us, spent time with our families, took photos. It was a really awesome day, and super grateful to have all of you there. And that's it for me. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family, and we'll see you next month.